Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is about two different things. First off, I'm going to show you how to make keychains with these fun little rubber ducky kit that I got from my friends over at BeeBeeCraft. And I noticed there's some purple ducks in there, so I'm using this for my Passion for Purple challenge that is hosted by Metal Scrappin' Chick. All right, let me take this off. First off, it comes in a really nice little plastic container. We got some Ziploc baggies full of our things that we need, except for the only thing that we're going to need besides what they supply are some pliers. And I'm actually going to use 2 pliers. And let me dig out. I'll just dump all these so you can see them. There are actually 30 ducks, so you can make 30 keychains. Here's the purple guy. Isn't he cute? He is so adorable. And you know, you could make earrings out of these. Wouldn't that be fun? Or a little necklace. Just put that on a chain that you may already have. All right, let me get the key ring or keychain. Has a little chain here and then just a split ring. And they do supply the jump ring. And these are going to take about 2 seconds to make. You just take your pliers, you open up your jump ring, you put the keychain on, you put your duck on, and you close your jump ring and you're done. That's like a 30 seconds. Did it even take 30 seconds? How many of you are cruisers? My husband and I like to cruise. And a lot of people that cruise love to hide rubber ducks. Wouldn't this be a great alternative? Instead of just the little plastic rubber ducks, you could hide keychains with rubber ducks on them. I think that's really fun. And that's probably what I'm going to do on our next cruise, which is probably going to be a while. Usually I like to make earrings and hide them. Maybe I can even just make rubber ducky earrings, huh? Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. Hope you go check out all the other participants of the Passion for Purple challenge. And you can join in too. All you have to do is make something purple and post it on the 15th of the month. And of course, tag Metal Scrappin' Chick. Hope you go check out all the other participants. Just use the hashtag Metal Scrappin' Chick to find everybody. Oh, let me know down in the comment section below if you've ever cruised and hidden ducks and what you think of that. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.